What's up everybody, Bandit here. Today, the little RZR gets the light bars. Huge thanks to Auxbeam for sending us these awesome light bars. Let's dive into the video. These RZRs come with a normal automotive style high and low beam, and these do work fine, but they are just kind of an orangish glow. They really don't do much. We'll show you more about that here at the end of the video. But obviously when you are tearing down some trails, and especially with any kind of speed, the more light the better. So huge thanks to Auxbeam for making this video possible. So here's a look at what Auxbeam hooked us up with. We have a 20-inch light bar, a 12-inch light bar, and their very own wiring harness. So we'll get all this rigged up on the RZR. What I'm thinking is we'll use that 20-inch light bar for up front, we'll use this 12-inch light bar in the rear, and that should give us all kinds of light all around the vehicle. Guys, so we got everything installed here right down to the Auxbeam sticker, and you can see the 20-inch light bar fits really nice up here on the roof of the RZR. The sides here have sort of a wide angle LED projection where the center is normal. You might be able to see it there, and actually the 12-inch light bar in the back is the same way as well. A little bit dark in here, I realize, but let's get this thing outside and see exactly how it does. We mounted the switches up here on the roof. You can see they're glowing red, and that is showing that they're off. Those switches actually turn green when they turn on, and ultimately this should really add to the light and usability of this RZR. It'll be great on trails, and actually I think the way that rear one is mounted, we might be able to see into the bed pretty well too. So let's get it outside and see exactly how it looks. So we'll toggle through them here a couple times. You can really see, especially between the high beams and then you go to the light bars, how much wider of a view you have. Now this is pointed down. I didn't want it to go too high up in the air because I didn't want to blind other people I'd be riding with, but this really gives you a nice look of the texture of the ground, and it really should help spotting those big gnarly rocks and other obstacles while you're off-road. So let's get some speed here and see how it does. So another test down here by the river, you can see just the stock headlights. Walk around here to the back, and you do have kind of a running light tail light. Obviously you do get more tail lights when you hit the brake. We'll go ahead here to the high beam, you can see that. And then we'll go ahead and cycle through the different light bars. So up front and out back. Really makes a big difference. You can see in the bed nicely, and really you can see almost 360 all the way around the machine. You can see the back one really shines back a long way. The front one I might actually need to tip up a little bit more, but obviously with the way these mounting systems are with the Auxbeam LED, you can really kind of fine tune it to what you want, and wow, that's pretty bright. And also it's a huge difference in color temperature. The stock headlights there are really kind of yellow, and the Auxbeam LED is very, very bright white. Walking around here to the back, same story. Alright guys, so we made it back to the garage here, and a huge thanks to Auxbeam for making this video possible and for hooking us up with these awesome light bars. So I'm really curious to hear what you all think about these things. I've heard nothing but good reviews about Auxbeam, but here on the RZR they will be put to the ultimate test. I mean, the whole purpose of this thing is to go out and hit the rocks, bumps, and jumps, and then every single time after it gets all dirty, it'll be coming back here to get pressure washed, cleaned up, and put away. So we'll see how well it holds up to the jarring of the trails, how well it holds up to mud, and how well it holds up to the pressure washer, what could be the hardest test yet. But I am really curious to hear what you all think, and if you've had any other experiences with the Auxbeam in the past, be sure to leave all of your thoughts down in the comments section below. If you are interested in any of the products that we used here in the video, be sure to check out the description below, and we'll have links both to Auxbeam's website and to Amazon where you can get yourself a set of these awesome light bars. So thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody. We'll catch you next time.